Hey, it's Scott coming to you live with another online consistent money for newbies. So ask this question for beginners, newbies, same thing. Do you want to make $800, $2,400, $4,000 per sale that we make for you? Answer that yes or no, because I'm about to reveal to you after you smash the subscribe and hit that bell up at the top exactly how you can work 1 hour a day leveraging other people. Okay, and this is 100% leverage. So let me cut to the meat and the potatoes. So what is this? This is 100% done for you system where a team makes the phone calls for you. Yes, they call your leads back. There's no talking to leads or anything like that. All you have to do is call this 800 number and I'll show you that where they answer all your questions. But before I can show you that, I need to show you the steps. I'm going to take you step by step, inch by inch on making this happen, meaning starting now to the end of this video. And state it again, I do have bonuses for you folks. I do have bonuses. So when you go in the description below, you're going to see a page that looks like this, and it's going to tell you start earning commissions of 800, 2,400, and 4,000. As you can see back here, that's a $50,000 trophy from OCM, and I continue to, not without even doing YouTube videos, just the traffic methods that you're going to get access to. Everything I do, you're going to have access to. Everything that's been successful for me since 2016, you're going to get. So that 800, 2,400, 4,000 is up to you where you want to, what you want to do, where you want to start your business, because obviously you landed on this for a reason, right? So after you put your information, your email address in here, what's going to happen is it's going to take you to a bridge page, okay, which actually bridges this with the sales page.
Congratulations.
All right, this is a video you're going to want to watch. This explains everything in 14 minutes and 8 seconds, but I'm fast tracking this for you, but I do want you to watch it so you know what your leads are going to be watching. And then, I told you this was very simple. All you're going to do is click on this here, click to view the OCM products, bonuses, and how to get started. That's going to open up another page. You're going to watch the product. So what's the product? The product is advertising. You can use this for any business that you're on, or specifically the OCM business. Why wouldn't you use it on the OCM business since you have somebody taking your phone calls? Yes, you heard me correct, all right? So when you call in today after reviewing everything, you're going to leave a message on this number. You're going to say Scott Darvid sent you, and you see me on YouTube. That's it. Very, very simple. But let's take you through some of the testimonials, and I'm going to get to these bonuses. I have a few bonuses. The company has a bonus for you, and I have a bonus for you. So be sure to stay to the end. You'll receive commissions on every level. So what's nice about that, if you start at a mid-level, someone comes in higher, folks, you're going to get at least the product level that you're at, which is very, 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 very nice. Okay, then you're going to call the OCM team after reviewing, specifically call the OCM team after reviewing this video and this video right here, okay? Those are the two. And then once you're done reviewing those videos, I'll show you what to do. But first, I want to take you through some people having success with the system like Carol, all right? And then bonus number 1, you do not need to speak to anyone. We do all the selling and telling for you. We make the sales for you. Let me zoom in on this. Let's read this. Let's read this bonus. You do not need to speak to anyone. We do all the work and do all of the selling and telling for you. We make the sales for you. You keep 100% commissions, and the commissions are 800, 2,400, and 4,000. Let me zoom back out over here. So we're going to keep taking you down. Dan F. from Florida, 12,800 in just 4 days. We do 100% of the work. You keep the commission. 1,000% right. It worked for me. It'll work for you. This is by far the biggest reason members are having unprecedented success, okay? Because we have an automated system that meets a human, okay? So you may be thinking, what is it going to cost me to have you and your sales team make the calls for me? Michael C. right there. Typically nothing. Typically the cost of having a sales team handle 100% of sales for you is pretty expensive. but we are going to let you have it at a bargain price, okay? We will close your sales for you 100% free. You heard me right. They'll close your sales 100% free, okay? That's a ironclad right there, ironclad, because they have closed my sales for free, and that's my experience with this system over a year now. Okay, special bonus that will go over another time once you're in, but I'm gonna take you into my bonuses right now. So let's go into my my back office here, my OCM. Right here, and this is the gold membership. The gold membership is $1,000, and what that does, it gives you 10% off of traffic. Okay, it gives you 10% off traffic, and when you start with this, my personal bonus, I'm gonna send you clicks to your business. Okay, I'm gonna send you 100 clicks for starting at the diamond membership. Okay, and that's $1,000. Next, what we have here is we have platinum. Now, platinum that gives you those big $2,400 commissions, and it's a $3,000 product. Get started with me in the online consistent money system at the platinum. I'm going to send 300 clicks your way, folks. All right, and as you can see, each product package, this gets 20%. The gold gets 10% off premium traffic, $1.25 clicks. But the diamond is now 40% off, okay, for life. So this is really getting your best bargain. It's $5,000. $4,000 goes to the affiliate. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to send 1,000 clicks your way, okay? 1,000 clicks your way. I want to make sure that you get started on the right foot. Also, you'll have access to me and all of my training, all of my secrets, all of my traffic sources, and all of my affordable, cheaper traffic sources as well that work. So I look forward to connecting with you all. Be sure to click the link in the bio below. You'll come to this page, smash the subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.